Welcome to Off-Grid Victory. So yeah, we've had some snow here in the Ozarks. Not super rare, but mostly uncommon. And this was particularly rare here. Now we've had situations where we've had trees and branches. We have cold weather mixed with warm weather, and then it forms ice, like literally icicles around trees. We've seen that effect. I've never seen this effect though, where you have a mix of high winds, snow, and a mixture of ice. And so literally what has happened, let me see if I can focus on my finger. Literally what has happened is it's formed these really nice icicles. So as the snow fell and the wind swept this backwards, you can see icicles actually formed on these trees and branches. So really nice effect. It's kind of like a spike on each one of these plants. But yeah, here's more of that effect. So anyway, yeah, it's the Ozarks. We don't really see much of this kind of weather phenomenon, snow, like there is in the Northeast or Canada. We're pretty temperate here, even in the winter. But right now it's probably in the mid-20s. And so that's pretty cold here for the Ozarks. Now it has gotten colder. Obviously last year in the Texas area, they had that record frost freeze. We blame all of that on global warming and Al Gore, right? But at any rate, what I wanted to talk to you today is about snow-laden trees or icicle-laden trees, things like that, and what you should do on your homestead. So here's a road that I have, and it's pretty clear of these trees. There's really nothing that'll fall and kind of impede myself from getting in and out of my homestead, and that's what you want to stay clear of. And especially in the South, this is the kind of stuff that you have to be really mindful of, right? So the snow load on trees. So this is a cedar, and you see the snow has taken some of these branches down. And that can happen in the South when we have snow like this unexpectedly. And so yeah, be mindful of that. Don't have trees like this on your road. There's no road here. This is just more into my field. I have a fence here for my cattle. So anyway, yeah, keep that away from any areas like that. Any areas where you drive through, try to keep the trees to the minimum, especially overhangs. And yeah, watch out for those cedars and pines that tend to kind of get weighed down or bogged down by snow and ice and such. So that's a little tip here in the Ozarks. All right, stay warm. Shalom.